Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add PayPal account on Etsy. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, what we need to do first here is we need to go to Etsy.com, log in into our account, and access our store. So to do that, you need to click on the store icon at the top of your screen here, which is the Shop Manager. Now under Shop Manager, what we need to do is we need to look for Finances, and from Finances, look for the option that says Payment Settings. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now on the payment settings section here, what we need to do first is we have to ensure that we've verified ourselves on the Etsy platform. Now in this case, this is actually required, so just provide any documents or any details that they require, and from here on just click on the submit document here, and once they have verified your account or your identity, they should be able to set a specific type of security for Etsy payments. Now depending on where you're currently located, or where your account is actually created, or where you are currently located, they would actually assign a certain security amount. So in this case, depending on your country, they might support a PayPal payment method, but in this case you wouldn't know until you actually verify yourself first. But in this case, once you verify yourself and they approve that, you should be able to see a section there that says PayPal. In this case, you just need to click on or follow the following instructions that you'll see once you verify yourself, and from here on you should be able to set up your PayPal account and connect your PayPal account into Etsy. Also, if you might be wondering if it's actually possible, this is directly from their website here, which is under Etsy Payments. So they actually support PayPal here. So just go to the appropriate settings here, or appropriate locations or web pages for you to access those. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.